what are the things we need to learn from the key programming. That's very most important. So if you back up what ECM means, it comes with which IC? In ECM?
In ECM?
In ECM. Then which tool we need to use? KTAG. Or maybe KTMH. Or maybe biflux. Option is left to you. We are having this much options. But key programming, what are the things we needed? We want transponder. Particularly which ID?
Transporter ID. 8 digits.
Very good. 8 digit. Next we need
4 digits.
ECM.
ACM.
Why you need 4 digit?
No, ACM.
We need ECM. Next we need BCM.
BCM.
We need
immobilizer.
We
And
need
communication.
and communication good with the meter.
With the meter.
If meter is damaged, means you can't confirm that security light is coming or not.
Yes.
So in immobilizer also it will going to store with the data.
Yes.
So
Sir,
yes.
for immobilizer sometimes it's different.
Yes, the data is going to stored in two locations. Here I did key programming, right?
Yes.
That key data going to stored in how many locations?
1 location.
Wrong. 2 locations. That's why they give 2 to IC. Look at that. One is in tri-core and one data going to stored in BCM also. Now, if you want to replace the BCM, it's not plug and play. Beachput S-put wasat connect model start agalla. It required key programming. To avoid key programming, better you can swap the EEPROM. IC beachput idu kakpottu you can connect. No problem. The problem will be solved. Key programming is not only for the ECM. It is very most important for immobilizer also. Look at that. In immobilizer also it comes with EEPROM. Second one. Not BCM. Correct? In this vehicle it comes with BCM and ECM. Almost all in every vehicle it going to store in 2 locations. Okay. Why they given 2 location means those 2 guys need to confirm. Yes, this is my key. Then only you need to start the engine. In old cars only 1 location. Maybe example. First vehicle. What's that first vehicle?
Alto.
No security. only one location only the data is going to store. Only in single location. Clear? Okay. Immobilizer storage locations also very most important. Lot of guys what they are doing mistake means simply they are removing from that vehicle and connecting to this vehicle and they are trying to crack. What the simple report they can tell? Hey, gaadi start aata hai. Vehicle is not starting. If they tell like that means what the customer will do? Working ECM with communication is good, part number should be same, hardware number should be same. If all these 3 matches means, then only it will start key programming. If part number mismatch means, it won't work. Checksum error. Because of checksum, it won't work.
So this is the BCM, yeah?
Yes, the black part.
The black one.
Part, yes, that's the BCM.
So it will be inside the car.
Yes. Maybe in one of the fender, inside fender part, inside the cabin. Okay. Next, clear?
Yes.
So in the entire system, if any one of the module got damaged means it won't work. Now you got the importance of key programming.
Yes.